Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we have a second lecture in which we are going to talk about the decimal numbers. Okay, we have talked about the types of decimal numbers. We have terminating, non-terminating, and ultimately we have to understand that which are the numbers in decimal that we can write into the form of fraction. So we have to check that which decimal numbers are rational or which are irrational. In the last class, we have talked about the different types of sets and rest of the things. Anyone have a question till here from the previous lecture? Anyone?
No,
No,
sir.
All right. So today we are just going to talk about decimal numbers. Decimal numbers, all those numbers in which you have a decimal sign, like you have 4.23. So these in which you are using a decimal point. Basically, this is a point here. This point, just because of this one, we have a this number is known as decimal number. Okay, any number having a decimal point, so that number is known as decimal number. We have two different types of decimal numbers. We have two different types of decimal numbers. The first one that is known as terminating decimal. Anyone having the idea what does it mean by terminating decimal?
Decimal that is repeating.
Decimal values repeating now. Any other one? Yes, Meera.
said they like stop. They don't terminate like
Yes. Decimal numbers are the numbers in which after decimal numbers you have a limited numbers. Like you have 0.43. So look at here, after decimal point you just have two numbers. It is going to be stopped. In the same way, for example, you have any other number 7.26954, and but still it is going to be stopped. You have a limited numbers after decimal point, or they are going to be stopped or terminated. Such type of numbers are known as terminating decimals. All right. In the last class, I told you all the numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, so uh, they are rational numbers. So same as the terminating decimals, all the terminating decimals are rational numbers because we can easily convert into the fraction form. So the main and the second type is that is non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals, obviously, the after a decimal point, it is the numbers are not going to be stopped. Like you have 0.32323232, and there is a lot of three twos. Or it can be like this: you have 4.28765549, and there are a lot of numbers. So look at here, both are going to be a non-terminating numbers because after decimal point they are not going to be stopped. You have used a calculator when you are dividing the two numbers, like you have to divide 1 over 3, you are getting 0.33333. So they are not going to be stopped. So such type of numbers are decimals are known as non-terminating decimals. Anyone who did not understand that, what does it mean by the terminating decimals and non-terminating decimal?
No, sir.
no. So
Yes, Azizul, Priya, Asfal.
Yes, sir, understood.
All right. In non-terminating, we have two types. In the non-terminating, if you have a recurring number, recurring means repeating number. Recurring or repeating number. So such type of decimal is known as non-terminating recurring number. Recurring number means your value is repeated after a decimal point. Like we have take a first example, we have 0.323232. It's not necessary that the pair of two numbers are repeated. It can be a pair of single numbers can be repeated. It is 0.3333, and there is a lot of threes. Or it can be a pair of a group of three numbers, like you have 4.789, 789, 789, and the same way it can be group of four numbers as well. So if you have a recurring number or after a decimal point, so such type of numbers are known as non-terminating recurring decimals. And the property is all non-terminating recurring decimals can be written in the form of fraction. In short form, we have to rewrite these values like this way: 0.32. 32 is repeating, so you have to make a dot on it. In the same way, here we have 3 is repeated, so 0 point, there will be a dot on 3. It is 4.789 is repeating, so 789. There will be a dot on the first number, there will be dot on the last number. It doesn't matter if you have a group of three numbers is repeating, or a group of four numbers are repeating, group of five numbers are repeating. All right. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? Is it clear that it's the recurring numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, the next number, second part will be it is going to be non-terminating, but it is non-recurring decimal. Like if we have to take an example, we have 4.2876549. There is no repetition here. Such type of numbers are known as non-recurring numbers. Okay, and these numbers are not possible to write into the form of fraction. So the first thing, all terminating decimals can be written in form of fraction. Yes, those numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, so they are known as, yes, they are known as anyone.
Rational.
Yes, they
Yeah.
are rational numbers. So look at here, it means that 0.43 is a rational number. We have 7.26954, it is a rational number. Why it is rational? Because we can convert this number into form of fraction. And that is going to be very easy. For example, if you have 0.4, at the place of decimal, you just have to substitute 1. If you have two decimal values, write two zeros. If you have one decimal value, write 1 0. If you have three decimal numbers after decimal points, write three zeros. So now it will become 43 over 100. So look at here, we are able to write this number into the form of fraction. So these type of numbers are known as rational numbers. In the same way, yes, we're here.
Um, so can you please re-explain terminating, the difference between terminating and non-terminating?
Terminating decimals are those decimals that are going to be stopped, or limited numbers or finite numbers after a decimal point. Like after decimal, you have two digits. After decimal, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. After decimal, you have 7 digits. You must be finite numbers. So they are known as terminating decimals. On the other hand, in non-terminating, after decimal, they are not finite. You have 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and they are infinite 3 2s. So such type of
Oh,
numbers are known as non-terminating or non-stoppable. Okay.
okay. Thank you so much.
Now we are now we are talking about the recurring numbers. The recurring numbers are also able to write into the form of fractions, so they are also known as rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
All non-terminating plus recurring decimals can be written in form of fraction in form of fraction. So they are rational. Means, for example, if you have a number 0.32 dot dot, so this number can be written in the form of fraction, so it means it will be a rational number. How we can write it, inshallah, we will learn in today's class. The last one, that is the non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimals, non-terminating, non-recurring decimal is the only decimal that cannot be written in the form of fraction. So that's why it is going to be a irrational number. This is the only one. All non-terminating plus non-recurring or irrational numbers, because we are not able to write into the form of fraction. Yes, everyone, anyone have a confusion about the recurring, non-recurring, terminating, non-terminating?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
All right. I'm going to make a chart here. It is going to be easily understand, because if the examiner give you a simple number like we are talking about here, you have 3.45. Examiner give you a single value and you have to identify that it is a rational number, it is irrational number. You can easily identify that. If you are able to write into the form of fraction, means it is rational. But when examiner give you the in decimal form, so you must have to know that this decimal number is rational or irrational. So we have learned that all terminating decimals are rational. So the first point we are going to be learn what it is.
So,
All, yes,
sir, the value of pi is non-terminating, right?
yes, the pi is non-terminating, non-recurring. So that's why it is an irrational number.
Okay.
So it is irrational number. The second one, you have non-terminating, non-terminating plus recurring. So it will be rational number as well. And the last one is we have non-terminating plus non-recurring is the only kind of decimal that is irrational
Irrational.
number. Now let's we have to learn that how we are going to be convert non-terminating recurring numbers into a form of fraction. That is going to be really easy. The question is converting non terminating plus converting terminating decimal in friction. It is going to be very easier questions. For example, if you have a question, you have 0.4, and examiner says that you have to be converted into the form of fraction. Convert it in fraction form. So how you will convert it? You have to write 0.4. At the decimal point, you have to be write 1. If you have one number, write 10. So it will become 4 over 5, 4 over 10, sorry. Simplify them, 4 over 10 will become 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10, it will be 2 over 5. Yes, anyone have a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In the same way, you have one number, let's say you have 2.35. This is a number, and examiner says that you have to be converted into the form of fraction. So how you can convert it? Simply you have 2.35 at the place of decimal, write 1. There are two numbers after decimal, so write two zeros. Now 0 will be cancelled out. Now you have to simplify them. Both are divisible by 5. 5 times 2 is 10, 0. 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 7 is 35. So I'm going to get 47 over 20. So this is the fraction. In the same way, for example, if you have any number 0.2897, and examiner says that you have to convert it into the form of fraction. Yes, Mehran. We have to divide this number by
Sir, 1,000.
1,000.
Yes, sir.
I think,
10,000.
yeah, 10,000. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, so we will write 4 zeros, and then you have to simplify them. Anyone have a question that how to convert the terminating decimal into the form of fraction?
No, sir.
Okay, these are the very easy one. The main thing that we have to do today is the converting non-terminating plus recurring decimal. Priya, please mute yourself. Decimal in section 4. For example, examiner says that you have a question, write. You will be get in the question in the different form. He says that write in the form of fraction, or he can also says that show that given number is rational number. Means you have to be sure that the given number is a rational number. So obviously you need to be sure the number into the form of fraction. If you are able to do it, it means that the given number is a rational, otherwise it is irrational. The number that we are going to be taken, it is 0.333, and there is a lot of these. Means we have non-terminating, non-recurring numbers, and we have to show that it is a rational number. For rational numbers, we have to be show it into the form of fraction. We already know that this number can also be written as 0.3 dot. The repeating number, if you have to write a dot on it, sometimes we have to make a dash on it. But in Cambridge, we have to use a dot. We have to write a dot on it, so it shows that it is going to be a non-terminating recurring number. In which number, in the top of the number you have a dot, it means that that's a repeating number. So now the first step is, first of all, you have to take this value equal to any variable, and that is your equation number 1. Yes, anyone have a question till here?
No, sir.
No.
Yes,
No, sir.
yes, as usual, as for Abed.
No questions.
Okay, after that, you have to be checked that how many numbers are repeating here. So look at here, in this one, we have one number is repeating. If you have one number is repeating, so you have to multiply the equation by 10. And for example, if you have two numbers are repeating, like you have 0.23, like this. You have two numbers are repeating, so in this case, you have to multiply by 100. In the same way, if you have three numbers are repeating, so you have to multiply by 1000 and so on. So in this case, if we have a one number is repeating, so we have to multiply by 10. So we'll get that 10x is equal to 3.3 dot. It is basically like this. You have 0.3333. You are multiplied by 10. When you have to multiply by 10, this the decimal point move towards the right side. It will become 3.333. And if you have to close down, it will become 3.3 dot. And that is my equation 2. Yes. Anyone have a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Now you just have to subtract from equation 2 from equation 1. The left side will be subtracted from the left side, and the right side will be subtracted from the right side. And 10x minus x, it will become 9x. 3.3 dot minus 0.3 dot, it will be 0. It will become 3 minus 0, it will be 3. You will get that x is equal to 3. 9 is multiplying, it will be divide. So theta minus 3, theta 3 is 9. I'm going to get the number x is equal to 1 by 3. You can verify your answer by using a calculator. Let's we have 1 divided by 3. You can check it in the calculator. It is 0.3. The 3 will be in the brackets. This bracket shows that 3 is a non-terminating number. Okay, it's a recurring number, it's repeating. It means that we are able to write this number into the form of fraction. This means that it is a rational number. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's take one more example. We have a second part. Let's say you have 0.47 dot. Now this is a non-terminating recurring number here, and again the question is going to be same. We have to show that it is going to be a rational number. So for that purpose, we need to write this number into the form of fraction. Yes, Mehran, what is the first step?
So first we'll do x equals to 0.47.
Yes, we have to take x is equal to 0.47. And that's my equation 1. Yes, Fahia, what is the next step?
Multiply with the 100.
Yes, we have two numbers are repeating here. So in this case, we will multiply by
100.
100. So I will get that 100x is equal to, the decimal point move here, it is 47.47 dots. It is same as you have 0.4747. You are multiplying by 100. So decimal point moves here. It will become 47.474747 and so on. There is a lot of 47s. So means that can be written as 4.47.4 dot 7 dot. And that's my equation 2. Yes, Aziz, so what will be the next step?
Equation 2 minus equation 1.
Yes, we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have 100x minus x. Left side will be subtracted from the left side. Right side will be subtracted from the right side. 100 minus x, that will be 99x.
99.
And we have 47.47 dot dot 0.47 dot dot. Minus them, it will be 0. It will be 47. Yes, Hanana, what we have to do next?
Rearrange the equation so 99 to the other side.
Yes, 99 is multiplying, so on the other side it will be divide. It will become 47 divided by 99. Now you have to check that if there is any divisible. So yes, they are divisible. Theta 1 is no, they are not divisible because 47 is a prime number. So that's my final answer. Let me check. We have 47 divided by 99. So look at here, we have 0 point and 47 will be in the bracket, means it's a non-terminating number. It's a repeating number, 474747, like this way. So yes, it is a rational number or this is a fraction. Means you have 0.47 dot dot is equal to 47 over 99. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Yes, everyone. All of you, please do one question on your notebook and send me the picture. You have a number 0. 06 dot, you have to convert this number into the form of fraction. All of you, please do it and send the picture. Do it faster.
Sir, by which method? The same.
Yes, same method, obviously.
Oh, okay.
Where do we send it, sir?
On the WhatsApp group. As for Abid, are you able to send the picture? If you don't have a mobile phone to send the picture, do it on your notebook and just confirm your answer. Yes, Fariha, please send the picture. Fariha, you're doing? All right, everyone, let's move on. Okay, this is a worksheet. Obviously, I'm going to be sent here. You have to be check them. Here it is a number and he says that you have to write as a recurring decimal. So you simply have to divide them. It is 3, you have to divide by 11, write 0, write a decimal point. 11 times 2 is 22. We will get 8, write 1 0. 11 times 7 is going to be 77. Now it is going to be 3. Now again you have to 11 by 2 is 22. And in the same way, this value is going to be moving on. It is going to 0.27, 27, 27, and there's a lot of 27s means 0.27 dot. Okay, means examiner gives you the fraction and you have to be right into the recurring decimal. Yes, anyone have a question about it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
A very basic type of division.
I'm sorry, sir. Mine is gone.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. All right. Now look at here. Here he says that circle the largest number. It is 8 5 dot. It means that it is going to be written like 1.8585 and 85. It is going to be 5 means it is 1.8555 and it's a lot of 5. Now when you are going to be making a comparison, so you have to look for the first values. The first two values, it is 1 and 8, it is going to be same in all of them. It is 1 and 8, it is 1 and 8, it is 1 and 8. Now, if you are making a comparison to the next value, here it is going to be 5. It is going to be 5 as well. Here it is 5. And it is nothing means it is 0. So it means that the smallest value is 1.8. Now make a comparison again. We have 8 here. We have 7. So which is the bigger number?
Sir, the first one.
1.85 is the bigger one, right?
Yes, sir.
1.85 dot dot is the bigger number. It is out, it is out. And it will be a bigger number. Now here we have 0 and here we have 5. So it means that the smallest will be 1.85. And in these two numbers we have already find it is 1.85 dot and lost. So always remember when you are making a comparison, you have to convert it into the decimal form and then you have to make a comparison the place. For example, this is the second place values. So you have to compare with the second place values. In the same way, when you are comparing the third place, at the third place it is a, it is 5, it is 0. So obviously 0 is the smallest, 5 is the bigger than 0, and 8 is the largest one. All right. This is how you have to make a comparison. Okay, the question that I want to be do now is down. 1 second. Yeah. Look at here, he says that work out 0.3 dot minus 0.05 dot. So it means that we have converted 0.3 dot already. Let's we will take this question on our worksheet. The half of the part of this question we already done. We have learned that
It's 1 by
how to
3, sir.
convert. It's 1/3. Yeah. Let's take it down. Yes. We already convert 0.3 dot into the form of friction. Now we have to convert this value. So let we have y is equal to 0.05 dot. Okay, the problem in this one is the decimal point is not before the recurring part because the 0 is not recurring. When you are going to be converting into the form of fraction, your decimal point must be before the recurring part, okay? It means that we need to move a decimal point here. Yes, how I can move the decimal point towards left side, right side, sorry?
You have to
I
time.
multiply.
We have to multiply by
Then
10. It will become 10y is equal to 0.5 dot. So look at here, I'm not going to multiply by 10 because it is one terminating, that it is one recurring number. No. The problem is the decimal point is wrong on the wrong place. My decimal point must be before the reckoning part. To move the decimal point towards the right side, I multiply by 10. So this is my equation 1. Now it will be a terminating decimal. Now you have to, it is single number is terminating, so you have to multiply by 10. If the two numbers are reckoning, so multiply by 100. Three numbers are reckoning, so you have to multiply by 1000. In this situation, I'm going to be multiply by 10, so I'm going to be get 100y is equal to 5.5 dot. Yes, anyone is here who did not understand these two steps?
say y 100.
If you have to multiply by 10, it will become 10 multiplied by 10y,
Oh, okay.
10 multiplied by 0.5.
5.
0.5. So 10 multiplied by 10 will be 100y. 10 multiplied by 0.5 dot, it will become 5.5 dot. Means you have 0.555. You have to multiply by 10. So decimal point move here, it will become 5.55555. Means 5.5 dot. This is my equation 2. Yes, Azizul, Hanana, Miran, Riha. Any question till here? It
No,
is clear?
sir.
Yes, Asfar
Yes, sir.
and
Clear.
Rabid. All right. Now, what is the next step? We have to subtract the equations. Equation 2 minus equation 1. We have 10y minus 10y is equal to 5.5 dot minus 0.5 dot. 100 minus 10, it will become 90y, and 5.5 dot minus 0.5 dot will be 0.5.0. 90 is multiplying on the other side, we divide, so 5 divided by 90. It is divisible. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 4 carries 5 times 8 is 14. So my final answer is going to be 1 over 18. So basically what I have to do, I just convert the 0.3 dot into the form of fraction and 0.05 dot into the form of fraction. Now they are subtracting. 0.3 dot minus 0.05 dot. The answer of 0.3 dot is 1 over 3 and 0.05 dot is 1 over 18. Now you have two simple fractions and you need to be subtract them. I'm going to make a denominator same. It is 18, it is 3. So let's multiply and divide by 6. It will become 6 over 18 minus 1 over 18. 6 minus 1, it will be 5 over 18. So that would be my final answer. Yes, I would. It is clear?
Sir, it is clear, but I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, can our answer come to irrational number?
No, obviously never. If you are adding or subtracting two rational numbers, so the answer will be rational number.
Okay, and can will examination mention it? Will examiner, sorry. That's my bad.
Obviously not mention it.
Um, um,
And in this question, sometimes the question is clear, it give you an answer in the as a fraction form. Obviously, if you have able to write the answer into the form in the fraction form, this means that it will be a rational number.
okay, thanks.
Sir,
Yes.
how much is this question worth? How much marks will
Approximately
you get?
3 marks.
Okay.
You will get this type of questions around 3 marks.
What was the final answer?
The final answer is 5 over 18.
Oh, got it, sir.
Yes. Anyone having a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.